Longtime electric lightweight foldable scooter for everyday outdoor commuting and fun for kids and adults, all safety certified, black. Premium grade tires, are 8.5-inch wheel and are the perfect size for any riders. Anti-slip pneumatic rubber tires are mixed with great shock absorption and road adaptability, which provide riders a safer trip. Premium motor, 250W brushless motor. The speed can be up to 15 miles per hour. Saving power mode propels the scooter at a max speed of 9.32 miles per hour. Built-in display, keep track of your speed and battery level. The control panel will display 4 LED lights, which indicate the battery life. A white LED light will turn on when saving power mode is selected. Reach a maximum speed up to 9.32 miles per hour. A red LED light will turn on when normal power mode is selected. Reach a maximum speed up to 15 miles per hour. Saving power mode propels the scooter at a max speed of 9.32 miles per hour. Safety, use the belt to warn others around you. LCD display shows current speed, high speed mode, battery life, headlight indicator and cruise control indicator. Power/function button. Press 2 to power scooter on. Press 2 to power scooter off. Press once to switch high speed/low speed mode. Press twice constant to power on/power off headlight/rear light. Throttle accelerates the scooter. A disc brake with anti-lock brake system for a safe braking distance. Portable, lightweight and easy to transport. Lighter weight, weighs only 26.7 pounds. Max supported weight, 264 pounds, which can be easily folded and released within few seconds. Super convenient to carry it outside and store it on the table. This scooter easily folds into the trunk of a car, make it perfect for students and everyday commuters. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.